Now, a Bengaluru-based company has launched a unique device to curtail COVID-19. Deepa Balakrishnan brings you more.
Schools where children can come back to study and be naughty together, restaurants where you can go back for office parties and office meetings, metro trains that are once again operational, offices that are functional yet again. It all seems like a faraway dream after the multiple lockdowns that we've seen in Indian cities. But well, there could be a solution to at least some of these problems. A device that doesn't ask you to keep adjusting to the new normal, but in fact tries to bring back some semblance of the old normal. A Bengaluru organization says it has a device that it's been using for almost 2 years to prevent the spread of all kinds of flu viruses. And in fact, it could prevent the spread of the highly infectious COVID-19 virus as well if it is installed in our schools and offices, our buses and police stations. Just as air filters in offices prevent the spread of pollutants in the great indoors, this drum-like device, the organization Scalene says, is medical electronics' answer to where medical science hasn't yet found one. It typically floods a room or hall with electrons that neutralize the positive cells that are there in the COVID-19 virus, the spike proteins in the spike-like ball that the virus is shaped as.
The corona family of viruses, they infecting mechanism is by using their spike protein, which actually a positive sense protein, and they are always seeking negativity of the transmembrane potential of the cells, host cells. So we took the advantage of this mechanism. So the idea is to break that mechanism and prevent it from or reduce the amount of infection that it can do.
So the device was made to stop the spread of basic flu viruses, but has now been repurposed to stop the spread of the corona family of viruses. So if a COVID positive person comes into your office, this device will prevent the spread of the virus from him to others in the office. But is that a guarantee? Companies are already lining up for a manufacturing license.
This product has to be absolutely safe. Most hypercharged electrons are known to generate ozone. This particular product, because of its technology, does not generate ozone, and therefore there is a test even to signify that it's safe and doesn't generate ozone. So this meets the US EPA, FDA, EUA, all of those regulatory requirements.
The organization claims that its gadget, called Shycocan, is compliant with US FDA and European Union standards. And some tests have shown that it eliminates as much as 99% of the virus. About 7 companies have now taken the license to mass produce it and hope to launch it in the market by Independence Day. In Bengaluru, Deepa Balakrishnan.